If this video has come to you without searching for it, then understand this: the universe has a special technique for you which will be a game changer. Yes, because today I am going to give you a technique which is absolutely simple but immensely powerful, and it will be a game changer for your manifestation. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Let's jump into the technique. Think about a goal or a wish that you really want to manifest, but maybe it is taking some time, maybe it is getting delayed. Whether it's a dream job, new job, money, success, good health, or relationship, or getting married, or getting happy, whatever it is, or even for getting your visa or passport, or some kind of manifestation, that's where you feel something is getting stuck. So today you are going to do a technique which will connect your subconscious to the divine, to the universe in such a powerful way that it will bring super manifestation, and most importantly, it's easy. So let's start with the technique. What you are going to do is take a A4 size sheet of paper, or take some loose sheets of paper. Do not do it inside your journal. This is what I want you to do: is take some loose sheets of paper and think about that one wish that you want. You can do it for multiple wish, but for the first time when you do it, I want you to choose one wish. Once you do one cycle for one wish, then you can do it for even 2 3 wishes together. You can do it, but preferably, because many of you are new in the journey, or if you are finding it's difficult to manifest one particular goal, or one particular goal is very new to you, wish is new to you, or taking time, then focus on that one first in this technique. Yes or yes? While doing this technique, you can apply other techniques, other processes for your other goals, other manifestation, other wishes. Absolutely no issue, no conflict. But while doing this technique, try to focus on one wish at a time in the beginning. Ready? Promise? The first thing you are going to do is take a A4 size paper or a loose sheet of paper and write that wish like an affirmation, like as if you have manifested it either in present continuous or in past. As if you got it, write it 3 times. So what? Let's suppose you are manifesting your dream job. So I am happily and joyfully working in my dream job. Or if you are manifesting, let's suppose, 50,000 rupees earning every month. I am happily and joyfully earning 50,000 rupees every month. Or let's suppose you want your stock to grow fast. So you write, I am happily and joyfully growing my stock portfolio 20%, 30%, 50%. Or if you are manifesting your dream job, I'm happily and joyfully working in my dream job. If you are manifesting your dream home, I'm happily and joyfully living in my dream home, or I'm happily and joyfully buying my dream home, or I'm happily and joyfully selling my existing home. Or if you are manifesting good health or relationship, same way you write, I'm happily and joyfully, write that relationship, write that health, that the way you want. So you write this one goal 3 times. I'm happily and joyfully, I'm happily and joyfully, I'm happily and joyfully. Right? 3 times you write. After that, you write 3 times, thank you, thank you, thank you, universe, once, thank you, thank you, thank you, universe, twice, thank you, thank you, thank you, universe, 3 times. So you write thank you, thank you, thank you, universe 3 times, this statement. Because now you are saying the manifestation is done, and now you are giving your gratitude to the universe. So right now also, if go ahead, write in the comment, thank you, thank you, thank you, universe, write 3 times. If you like, you can write even your goals 3 times in the comment section. If you don't want to write your goals, absolutely fine. But right now, go write thank you, thank you, thank you, universe 3 times in a row, and let the universe know that you are already grateful for your manifestation. So you are done writing this. Now, holding this paper, close your eyes and visualize for a few minutes that how that manifestation is, like how that moment when the manifestation will be done, right? Like how it would be working in that dream job, how it would be living in that dream house, how it would be like earning that 50,000 1 lakh rupees per month, or how it would be like growing when your stock portfolio will be growing, or how it would be like getting married or being in that relationship, or getting that visa or getting that PR, whatever you are manifesting. So visualize it for 2-3 minutes. And if you struggle in visualization, then you can check our other videos on visualization, or you can join our powerful program, Daily Subconscious Reprogramming, where I take everyone to the visualization process. I'll share the link in the description. So this process is done. Writing your goals 3 times. Thank you, universe 3 times. Now fold this sheet of paper and you keep it under your pillow where you sleep. So that when you sleep at night, this paper should be under your pillow. Now you must be having some question. Sir, how many days I have to do it? Is there any particular color I should write? What if the paper, A4 size paper is full? What can I do after the completion process? What I am going to do with paper? All these answers are coming. Stay tuned in the video. But most importantly, if you are new here in our channel, for the first time watching my video, hi, I am Ajay Mishra, India's leading law of attraction coach and manifestation mentor. And I have been teaching for 15 years, people from all walks of life in manifesting their dreams. And if you are watching my video for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Be a part of our tribe, because your manifestation journey is starting right now. Now, let me tell you what you have to do in this process. You have to do this process for 21 days continuously. Try to do it continuously without any break, so that you can feed this in your subconscious mind. Write your goals 3 times daily. Write thank you, universe 3 times daily. Hold the paper, visualize for 3 minutes, 5 minutes. If you can visualize for more, that would be great. So visualize for a few minutes, say thank you. And if you can do more things, is that every single day when you do this process, after that you come back to this video and write in the comment the day you are in, and write thank you, universe 3 times. Or you can create a thread in the comment section, like day 1, thank you, universe today. When you do it, the process, come reply to the same comment. Day 2, thank you, universe. This way you can keep a track of the process for next 21 days in this video comment section only. So if you like, you can do it in this comment section. So then you keep the paper under your pillow and then you go to sleep. But if you can do this process at night before going to sleep, it should be super powerful. And best thing you can do is, when you do this while lying down on your bed, when you keep this paper under your pillow, then while lying down on your bed, visualize it, that it's happening. You have already manifested it. The manifestation is done. You are in this process of living life. Achieve the manifestation is done, and do it for 21 days. It's so powerful. Magic start happening. I have been teaching this process to my mentees, and people have manifested dream job, new job, promotions, award, money, good health, healed their relationship, manifested new relationship. So many things people have done it. Now, few more questions you must be having. Sir, is there any particular ink that I have to write? So, while writing this in the A4 size paper, only thing is that avoid writing in black pen. You can write preferably in green pen or blue or red or orange or pink, or like any other color is fine. Preferably avoid black ink. Now you are writing in the A4 size paper. If the A4 size paper is full after 3 days or 5 days or 7 days, what you will do? Add one more paper. Keep one more paper with it. But every single day when you take out it together. You hold it together. You write in the new paper. You fold it together and you keep it for 21 days. So in 21 days, some of you may complete it within 1 sheet of paper. Some of you may add 3-4 sheets of paper. Absolutely fine. What you are going to do after 21 days with these sheets of paper? You can keep it with you in your journal or in your desk or in your almirah, wherever you like. I usually keep my journal and pictures and papers with me. But those of you, let's suppose you have privacy issue, or you are living in a home or a hostel where you cannot keep it, or you don't want other people to see it, or if they see it they create negative energy. What you can do, either you can bury it underground somewhere, under a tree or in a garden or in a park. You can bury it inside the ground. You dig a little hole in the ground and you put it, and you put some soil on it, or you can immerse it in flowing water in a river or even in a pond. So that's also fine. Just one thing, do not do it, or maybe two things you don't have to do it. When you write your wish like this, do not burn this paper. Sometimes some coaches and they say don't burn this paper in fire, and that's fine. No, that's not fine. Remember, in the spiritual Hindu process, burning of fire is only done when something we are giving away, when we are letting it go, when we are but when we are inviting, there are different processes. So do not burn it. Second, do not throw it in the garbage. Never ever throw it in the garbage or dustbin. Do not make it bad. So either you keep it well in your journal, in an envelope, or you can create a packet, or you can create a jar, put it. And if you want me to create some videos on manifestation jar or manifestation journal, let me know in the comment. Or you can dig a hole in the ground somewhere and put it inside, or immerse it in the water, like the way we do it for idols after puja. So this is the process. If you have any question regarding it, let me know in the comment. Go ahead, write, and do it for 21 days. And I can tell you, many of your manifestation will come true even before completion of 21 days. For some of you, it may take a little more than 21 days. Absolutely no fine. Do the process for 21 days. And after 21 days, you can do it for another wish. Or then you can do it for 2-3 wishes. Do not do it for 10 wishes at one go. Go increasing, like do it for one wish. After that, if you want to do it for more wishes, do it for 2 wish, or you can keep doing for 1 by 1 wish. Or after that, maximum you can do it for 3 wishes, and like that you can increase. But don't go beyond 4-5 wishes at one go. This is a very powerful but very simple process. Now, why we are keeping it under the pillow at night? Because when we are sleeping, our conscious mind is sleeping, but the subconscious is ready to create vibration, ready to attract vibration, ready to receive vibration. So when we are writing our goals, the manifestation is done. We are telling the universe thank you, and we are writing in a paper, keeping under our pillow. The paper has a vibration when we are every single day looking at it, writing it, reading it, and visualizing it. So it is generating vibrations. Slowly, when we keep it under our pillow, our subconscious mind start catching that vibration and aligning with the universe, and get programmed faster for the manifestation. So that's why you do it. If you want me to make a video particularly on pillow technique, let me know in the comments so that I can make separate video how you can use the pillow technique for your manifestation and how you can influence your subconscious mind. So if you love this video, love this technique, and if you are going to do it, write in the comment what you are going to apply for. Write thank you universe 3 times, and it's going to be a game changer process. And if you love this process, let me know. And if you are new here, subscribe to the channel, share this video with someone who need to practice it. And if you want to join our live program on Zoom, check the link, join our daily subconscious reprogramming live workshop. It will be a game changer for you in your manifestation journey. So your manifestation journey is starting right here in this channel. Stay tuned, because I am coming up with new awesome videos every week. Are you ready to manifest your dreams? Yes or yes? See you in the next video.